Yes, am I audible? Yes. Now? Yes, now. Okay, now it's okay? Yeah, I have increased the full volume. I hope I've increased the full volume. Yes, yes, perfect. Good. Okay, thanks. So we are saved. Okay, absolutely fine. Oh, great. Okay, so this is now you reached the finish line for ITJE prep. You can check that lot of offers are there valid till March 23rd, and this 3 months extension, 1 month extension, 3 months, 12 months, and 24 months plan. You can subscribe and you can use my code. You can use my code Alok Sir Live, or you can tell your friends about it. Then you've got ITJE Mega Combat. Mega Combat created by India's top educators. You can check those tests. The test papers are coming, 21 questions, 60 minutes. And then you have all your test series supervised by Ashish Arora. Test that emulates actual exam pattern, video solutions and detailed performance, and integrated rank predictor. Everything else is there. Your early evolve batch. Then you have got Yodha batch. So those many batches are coming up. And crack JEE with Unacademy JEE subscription. Right. So this was about this one. Let me briefly tell you. So those who do not know me, they can just Google or this brief introduction that I'm a BTech from IIT Kanpur, and I've been Invo medalist and teaching for almost 2 decades now. So you can check. And I also teach for Maths Olympiad in India and US and other countries. And you can just check all my things on Unacademy. You can follow me also. So that's all here. And then now let me start the thing that we are here today for. It is vector and 3D, right? Okay, so vector and 3D. Okay, come everyone please. Now, so for vector and 3D, let me just tell you through examples that what we need. Okay, and mostly I will tell you how not to do a problem. तो ये प्रॉब्लम करते हैं अभी. वेक्टर ए दिया हुआ है, ए इज गिवन, सी गिवन, और वेक्टर बी आपको निकालना है. वेक्टर बी सच दैट ए क्रॉस बी इज सी means that what you are given is that vector A given, I'll write 1 1 1 just to for short, and vector C is given, that is 1, and then that is 0 1. So vector C is now, so x component is missing, so this is 0 1 and -1, right? So these two vectors are given. These two vectors A and C are given. So these two vectors are given, and now what I want, you want a vector B such that A cross B is, I'll tell two solutions, A cross B is C and A dot B equal to 3. This you want, A dot B is 3. Now one method could be like this. That's what some people do, is this, that they try to solve this vector equation. Here A and C are known. So first solution is A cross B is C. So what you are doing is that you are trying to multiply it, right? So multiply it by A cross. So you are writing A cross B is A cross C. Remember that A and C are known, so I can multiply. B is of course not known, B is unknown. It's like solving vector equation. Don't take that, Ryan, don't take that. That will be really lengthy, much lengthier. Okay, so but let me tell you, this method is shorter, but I'll tell you two more methods that are way better. So first is that think of this as unknown vector equation. Think of this as vector equation. तो इसको आप देखिए वेक्टर इक्वेशन के रूप में, कि वेक्टर इक्वेशन है जहां A इज नोन, C इज नोन एंड B इज नॉट नोन, एंड ऑफ कोर्स A डॉट B इज नोन, राइट? तो व्हेन यू क्रॉस both sides by A cross this one, so A cross B, A cross C, you will get, that's the philosophy, you get A dot B times A minus A dot A times B is A cross C. You see this becomes free, sort of. Now अब यहाँ देखो A dot B already is known, this is already known is 3 or something, whatever value is there. A is all, A we know, then A dot A, of course we know, A dot A is no, and also we know A cross C. So it means that this is mod A square, B is A cross C. So I know everything, and I can calculate now A. I can calculate B easily. So I can get B. So this is like solving for B. But there's a much easier way, maybe much more geometrical. I'll tell you that. So I will tell two more methods. It's a very lovely problem, very beautiful. Different concepts. Don't start by taking A equal to, don't start by taking B equal to. Those who have done just physics little, they may be inclined to think कि ऐसा करते हैं, B equal to, you will take xi plus yg and plus gk, that you can take, and then you can keep multiplying. Don't do that, right? So first method is this, thinking of this vector equation and solving for B. Okay, that is one. Just wait, this also is not a very good method, Gyandeep, that you are telling, but anyway, A cross B C, तो ये तुम्हारा इससे कर सकते हो, इससे तुम्हारा आंसर आ जाएगा, you will get the answer, of course, है ना? Now let me tell you the second method. Second method is like this. Just wait. All of you who are with suggestion are there. It will be addressed. But अभी wait करो. Let's see what we can do for the whole class, and then we will. तो अब देखो ये आ गया तुम्हारा. Second method could be. Second method में मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ ये देखो. So I will just add some page. So see, A cross. If you look up, A cross B is given. A dot B is given. Means A cross B is C, that is known, and that C was 0 1 negative 1 9, right? A cross B, and A dot B was 3. These two are known. Okay, and I want B. So what I will write, I will say that B, I can write B as a component, as a sum of two components parallel to A, means component of B parallel to A. So component of B, that is B parallel to A, and I can write plus vector sum B perpendicular to A, right? This is vector sum. So you're writing B parallel to A and B perpendicular to A. So it means B gets written as B dot A. This is a time B dot A over A square. That is the component of B parallel to A, and component of B, and then this is component of B perpendicular to A. That will be given by A cross B cross A over A square. That is, I hope this you will have to keep in mind. You can derive also. You can derive how? You can just derive B minus, you can write B minus B dot A over A square, and write this as A dot, it's very beautiful, A dot AB ऐसा लिखो, minus B dot A times A and over A square, right? So you can see that आप इसको लिख सकते हो A cross B cross A, right? Correct. You can write as A cross B cross A. So A dot A B, it will follow the pattern. That's what you have done. In exam, directly write this, directly. Otherwise, you are wasting your time. Directly write this. So you know something parallel to A, this component parallel to A, and something perpendicular to A, that is A cross B cross A. This only we derived here. In other way, we derived. You can see the. So now B will be given by B dot A is 3. So this is 3. And A is given, so this is, and A square, modulus A square. So modulus A square is 3. You see, modulus A square is 3, correct? So 3 by 3 and times A, that is 1 1 1, and plus A cross B cross E, this one. So I can write this as, I have been given A cross B. If you mind, I have given A cross B C. So A cross B C. So this is 1 by 3 times C cross A, right? I have changed the sign. And what is C? C is your 0 1 negative 1, and A is 1 1 1. So cross, I will do like this, 0 1 negative 1 1 1 1. Do this kind of thing. So C cross A, quickly I will write as, this is 1 times 1 minus 1, this is 2, and then from here negative 1. So this is from this side 2, then negative 1, and then from here this is will come 0 1 minus 1, so 2 minus 1 and negative 1. So this is C cross A. So it means your answer is 1 1 1 plus 1 by 3 of 2 negative 1 negative 1. And so if you do it, you will get 5 over 3. Just multiply 5 over 3, you will get 2 over 3, and you will get 2 over 3. And so modulus of B I want. So modulus of B is 1/3 of root of 5 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. So that is 1/3 of root 33, and then you can take root 33 over 9 inside, and so you will get square root of 11 over 3, right? So this is what you will get the answer. This is one method. This is second method. Quite instructive. Just check this method. This one. it's a tricky problem. It has even come in advanced also many time. At least many means 4 or 5 certainly it has come, this kind of thing. So A is given, C is given, vector B you want such that A cross B is C and dot B. Basically you are solving for B. It is solving vector equation. It is like solving vector equation. It is like solving vector equation in other way. Vector equation. This you are solving. But then we don't want B completely. We don't want B. We just want mod B. So I have got another method. That's very short, but it applies just because we don't want modulus. We don't want B. We just want mod B. So that will remind you of this one. That will want something like component. So this is that A dot B. So A dot B is given to be 3, and A cross B is given to be C, and that C was, if I am correct, this C was Z. Let me check. 0 1 negative 1. 0 1 negative 1 was C. This was this one. A dot B. Now see, this is the best method, the best and efficient, because I want only mod B. I don't want B. So it's like AB. So I will write here AB cos theta. AB cos theta is 3, right? And take mod here. So I get AB sin theta is root 2. Is that all right? I'm just taking. I just taking. No, not constant. This is a different method. So I'm just taking mod on both sides. So AB sin theta is this one. So you know that whenever you are given component, means you can find some sine and cos, right? So this tan theta divide tan theta is a square root of 2 over 3. This is tan theta. Tan theta. Okay, so tan theta, and then we also know that we want actually just this one. So I will write here that A cross B is C. So AB sin theta is root 2. And what you want? What do you want? You want B. You want just B. You want just B, right? You want B. So if you want B, then you have just, you can square also, or you can get some other way also, right? So now, because mod A I know mod A. Modulus of B I know, modulus of A I know, because A is 1 1. So modulus A is root 3. So this A I know. It means that A times this is theta. This is theta tan theta. This is root 2 and 3. So this is 9 and this is 4. So I know that this is your 11. Root 11 it is got. So sin theta is root of 2 over root of 11. That is awesome solution. And so this is B is root 2 over A sin theta. So root 2 over A and times sin theta root 2 over root 11. Root 2 cancels. You get root of 11 over root of 3. So it is root 11 over 3. So this is your answer. This is the good thing. Did you follow this? Did you follow this? This is very short, because I want only mod B. I don't want A. I don't want B. Means I want only mod B. Mod B question says not A. If I want to get A, then I don't have any choice. Then I have to do this one. Then this is efficient. Getting B. If I want to get B. Okay. If I want not B, means you want only magnitude. So it is usual thing that if component is given, then you know that if component is given, then something tan theta you can find, and from there you can build up. Okay. So I'll go some not in linear order but some other order. तो अभी मैं एक और बताता हूँ आपको अभी इसके बाद. This is one problem you did. Then next let me go to a different problem. Let me check this also. ABC belong to R, and this is more of trigo. तो ये वेक्टर का सवाल नहीं है, ज़्यादा ट्रिगो का है. तो एंगल बिटवीन वेक्टर्स, व्हेन यू से एंगल, देन ऑफ कोर्स यू वांट टू नो A स्क्वायर B स्क्वायर C स्क्वायर सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग. तो यहाँ पे आप क्या कर सकते हो, इसको आपको देखना है पहले. दिस वन A cos theta. So you'll understand that you can write this as A cos theta. So I can write A over cos theta plus 2 pi by 3 cos theta plus 4 pi by 3. This one is B over cos theta plus 4 pi by 3 and equal to C over cos of theta plus 2 over 3. So this thing is lambda. This thing is not lambda. I mean this also follows that they are equal. Now A by. Okay. Now if you want angle between vectors A, B and C, right? This you want. So that you understand that this is your AB plus BC plus CA. So this is AB plus BC plus CA you want. A plus BC plus CA. And that you can always get from here, right? Because AB plus BC plus CA you can quickly and conveniently calculate from here only. Are you getting my point or not? Are you getting my point? See, or if you want, you can write 1 by a also. That also might be nice thing to do. So either multiply this, or better you rewrite this as it. That will be much better. That what you do, that you write here cos theta over BC, cos theta plus 2 pi over 3 over CA, and cos theta plus 4 pi over 3 upon AB, right? So you're writing like this. So you know that they are proportional, and so a sigma AB will be proportional to cos of theta plus 2 pi over 3 and plus cos of theta plus 4 pi over 3. It will be proportional over this mu type of thing, proportional. And this will be giving you 0. This will be giving you 0, right? It does not depend on theta. This will be giving you 0, and from there you will get your answer. So is that clear? That this is a trigo, combination of trigo and also vector. Okay, this is little trigo and I mean more trigo and little vector. So this way you can just get it. Okay. Okay, let me go to other one. Let us do this problem. This looks like a 3D problem. A variable plane passes through a fixed point. तो a fixed point से pass करा तुम्हारा and meets x y axis at a, b and c respectively. A plane is drawn parallel to yg plane, see, through a, and parallel to gx plane and parallel to xy plane, gy plane. So this is one xyg, suppose this diagram, that this is x, y, or I can write x, y and g like this. So you have got x, y and g, and you are drawing some plane. So there is some plane that passes through fixed point and meets this at a, b and c. So this is meeting at a, b and c. What the question says, that through a you are drawing a plane parallel to yg, see, through a, so through a yg plane. So you are writing through a, you are drawing some kind of plane, some plane through a which is parallel to it. Similarly from b you are drawing this one from b parallel to gx, and then from c, and then you want the locus of intersection point of these planes, right? So they must be meeting. तो कैसे कर सकते हैं उसको? ये सिंपल है बहुत, है ना? तुम a को मान लो, सपोज a you take to be alpha 0 0 0 bit, or x I will take as abc. So you take x as a00, this is 0b0, and this is 00c. Write the equation in the intercept form, x over a, y over b, j over c equal to 1. So ये इक्वेशन आ गया आपका प्लेन का, राइट? और दिस प्लेन passes through 6.3 to 1, तो it means 3 by a plus 2 by b plus 1 by c equal to 1 is the constraint. Like abc are constrained like this, correct? Okay, yes, okay. So plane is in terms. Now I'm saying that ये बोल रहा है कि a plane is drawn. So ये जो plane है, a plane passing through a and parallel to yg plane, first plane, this one, first plane. This equation is anything parallel to yg plane, right? So that will come out to be x equal to something, right? So because x is constant, so you will write that x equal to a, similarly y equal to b and g equal to c. These are the planes. So intersection point is a, b and c. This point is a, b and c, and see the locus of abc is this only, the one that is evident here, locus of abc. So intersection point if is alpha beta gamma, then that is abc only, and abc has this locus. It means the locus is 3 over, generalize abc to x y g, so 3 over x, 2 over y, 1 over g equal to 1. So that is your answer, that variable plane through fixed point. Okay, is that clear? So you will get like this. Any doubt? Any doubt? A simple problem, but then again sometimes people do confuse that, because this, see, it's like that you started with x by a and then suddenly it is 3 over x, 2 over y, 1 over g. It does not have a good name, but there is nonetheless this is a locus. Okay. Okay, let me do this one, that You want length of projection of line segment joining the points. I'm taking all the important examples so that you don't miss anything, and anyway you can check it later also, है ना. तो ये देखो length of projection of the line segment joining the points on the plane. So make a good diagram. So on the plane, this plane is there, that plane name is x plus y plus g equal to 7, and so normal to this plane is 1 1 1. These three numbers, ये जो तीन number है coefficient, they are the most important thing in a plane equation. और वो क्या होते हैं, वो होते हैं equation of normal, direction of normal. तो ये normal आ गया आपका. और line segment है कोई ऐसा, any line segment, so I may change some color if it is good color. So this is this one. तो ये segment है आपका, this is 5 negative 1 4 and 4 negative 1 3. ये है, ये this is the segment. And now you want the projection, length of projection means you want, if you project means that drop perpendicular, this is perpendicular here, so you want this projection, correct? You want this length. So if this is AB, you want A prime and B prime. So you want A prime, B prime. This is what you want. Now see, think this way, that this plane is anyway extending, right? The plane does not stop, right? Plane goes on and on. Yes or no? Plane goes on and on. Plane is going only. Plane does not stop, right? This is plane is going on and on. Plane is going on and on. This is your plane is going on and on here, and this kind of thing you want. So what I will do, a better method would be, so sometimes people find foot of perpendicular and then distance. Don't find that. Sometimes what people do, वो पहले निकालते हैं A prime and B prime, foot of perpendicular from point on the plane that you can find easily. उसके लिए एक अच्छा result होता है, आप पता कर सकते हो, आराम से निकाल सकते हो. But better would be, because you want just length, तो क्या करो, आप AB को extend करो, extend AB and let it meet the plane. If it is not parallel, they will meet, right? If it is not parallel, they will, and they are not parallel, because see, direction ratio of AB direction ratio is just subtract any order. So this is 1, 5 minus 4 1, negative 1, this is 0, and 4 minus 3 1. So these two are not parallel, right? These two are not parallel, otherwise it could have been a perpendicular thing, right? So I mean that now this will meet somewhere, right? So this will meet somewhere, and then this only you are saying as theta, correct? This is meeting, this only you are saying that it is meeting somewhere, and then of course like this it will be, this is there, right? So this is theta, so this also is theta, this also is, by the way, theta, right? This is theta. So you can say that if this is AB is L, then you want length of segment A prime, B prime, that length is L cos theta. That length is L cos theta, if you think it is L cos theta, right? Now it's done. Because sin theta we know. Sin theta क्या है आपका? Sin theta is, no, the angle between line and plane, right? So I will, that is cos 90 minus theta, so sin theta, and that is one, these two direction. So that is, now it's not cos, that's the one thing. Why? Because again, the angle between this one and normal is 90 minus theta, right? Not theta, 90 minus theta. So it is actually cos of 90 minus theta. Cos alpha is sin theta, and that equals 1 times 1 plus 0 plus 1 and upon root 3 and root 2, right? So this is root 2 over root 3, that is sin theta. So you get sin theta is this much. So sin theta is root of 2 over 3, that you got. So sin theta is root 2, this is root 2, this is root 3, so this is 1, this is theta. And so now you will say that you want L cos theta, you want projection A prime B prime, that is L cos theta, and L is anyway known, so L is root of 5 minus 4, 1 square plus 0 square plus 1 square and times 1 over root 3, and so this is root of 2 over 3. So root of 2 over 3 is the answer for that. That is geometrical, right? You don't have to find, I don't have to find A prime B prime. Remember, length of projection of the line, correct? So length of projection finding is very easy, because you just have to find this angle theta, और जब ये L रहेगा तो आपका आंसर है L cos theta, and because we know line and the plane, so this is got by angle between line and plane. ये हुआ आपका angle between, the formula for angle between line and plane. So that is given by cos of 90 minus theta, and so you will get this answer. Okay. So बहुत सारे स्कोप हैं वेक्टर 3D में, बहुत स्कोरिंग पेपर है, बहुत स्कोरिंग, and you have to just have some kind of thing, you will do well. Okay, let me do some other thing. Let me get to next one. So I am giving you not in order, because I want to select the tricky questions first. Tricky ones first I want to select, so that you are comfortable. So let me check the other question. So this one, let U be a vector coplanar. This also is concept always ही आता है. U be a vector coplanar with vectors, coplanar vectors, and U is perpendicular to A. Normally people start like that. That U is coplanar. First method we will start. U is coplanar, so U is lambda A plus mu B. ऐसा लो लिखते हैं, lambda A plus mu B. Okay, coplanar. Lambda A plus mu B. So you will start lambda is known, mu B is known, और तब तुम लिखोगे U is perpendicular to A, so you will get U dot A equal to 0 perpendicular to A, and U dot B 24. You will apply these things. You will get two variables lambda and mu. Yes or no? Are you getting a point? You will get two variables. आ जाएगा ना? But then longer. It is longer. So don't start by this. Rather a very good thing, a very good lemma is this. That this I will write, that a vector in the plane of A and B and perpendicular to B, perpendicular to A, or B also can be anything. A vector in the plane of A and B and perpendicular to A can be taken as A cross B. This is one such vector, and all such vectors जैसे सारे वेक्टर होंगे, all such vectors. So all such vectors are of the form, ये important है, of the form, ये देखो लैम्डा A क्रॉस B. कोई इसमें कोई डाउट है? पूछना है किसी को कुछ भी? तो पहले मैंने बोला कि एक कोई वेक्टर, दिस इज डोंट डू दिस इज लॉन्गर स्टार्टिंग विथ व्हाट, दैट U अगर प्लेन में है A और B के, तो U इज लैम्डा प्लस म्यू B. तो दो वेरिएबल आ गए, क्योंकि A दिया है, B दिया है. और कैसे निकालोगे? तो U परपेंडिकुलर है तो U डॉट इज 0, और U पैरेलल भी है, U डॉट B इज 24 है, तो आप वो निकाल दोगे तो U निकल जाएगा आपका, बिकॉज लैम्डा में यू विल नो. बट नो, दिस विल टेक टाइम. ये बहुत सही है. ये लेमा है, ए वेक्टर इन द प्लेन ऑफ A एंड B एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू A कैन बी टेकन एज A क्रॉस B, और सारे वेक्टर उसके मल्टीपल होंगे लैम्डा के में नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव, राइट. तो यहाँ से स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, ये स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. तो इसमें आप क्या लिखोगे? लैम्डा A क्रॉस B. सो ऑलरेडी वी नो A क्रॉस B, दैट वी कैन फाइंड इजिली A क्रॉस B लाइक दैट. उसके लिए ऐसे करो, A क्रॉस B में डोंट डू क्रॉस, बेटर विल बी दैट यू अप्लाई A डॉट B A माइनस A डॉट A B, ऐसा लिखना है. तो A डॉट A B एंड A, तो A आपका क्या है भाई? A डॉट B is A dot B. If you say check A dot B there, A is here, B is here. So A dot B is 2. A dot B is 2 times 0. So 2 times 0. So A dot B is 0 plus 3 minus 1. So that is 2. A dot B is 2. And modulus A square A dot A is 2A square, 3A square, 1A square. So this is 14. So you get 14. And A dot B. So you get this as 2A minus 14B. So I can write A minus 7B, because ultimately I want just parallel things. So A minus 7B. And what is A? A is 2, 3 minus 1. So I will just change, or I'll write here only A is 2, 3 minus 1, and minus 7 times B, and B is 0, 1, 0. So I can write here 2 minus 7, that is minus 5. Just check it. So just 2A is not there. So I mean just A is there. Okay, A is minus 7B is there. 2A minus A dot A is 14, and so 14 times this one. So this is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. This is 0, 1, 1, because J and K is there. So I'll just write this way. So A minus 7B I'll take, और A तुम्हारा आ गया, A is 2, 3, A is 2, 3, negative 1, minus 7 times, and B is 0, 1, 1. So 2 minus 7, that is your minus 5. So this is 0 in fact. So this is 2 only, just 2. And it's 3 minus 7, minus 4. And negative 1 and plus 7, that is 8. That is 8. Negative 1, negative 7. So negative 8, I think, negative 8. So you can take 2 common. So you'll get 1, minus 2, minus 4. Or you can write minus 1, 2, 4. All lambda, right? All are equivalent. Negative 1, 2, 4. अब negative 1, 2, 4 आ गया तुम्हारा ये, है ना? अब देखो क्या हुआ. When negative 1, 2, 4 आ गया, तो मतलब सारा वेक्टर इसके पैरेलल है, तो आई कैन टेक लैम्डा टाइम्स, राइट. सो आई विल, सो इससे मेरा एक फॉर्म ही आ गया, इससे मेरा फॉर्म आ गया कि ऑल सच वेक्टर यू इज लैम्डा टाइम्स negative 1 2 4 एंड ये दिया हुआ है कि मॉडुलस u डॉट b इज 14, b इज 0 1 1, तो u डॉट b इज लैम्डा and times 7, so 7 lambda, correct? So, or 6 lambda, 2 plus lambda, so a dot b is 6 lambda and a dot b is 6 lambda and that is given to be 24, so वो 24 है आपका, तो lambda is 4, so it means u becomes 4 times negative 1 2 4 and आपको चाहिए modulus u square, you want modulus u square, correct? So modulus u is 4 times root of 1 square 2 square 4 square, so 4 times 21, 1 to 4 21, and so modulus u square is 16 times 21 and that becomes 336, so 336 is the answer. Just check it, right? ये भी देखो, ये बहुत नहीं तो लेंदी होता प्रॉब्लम, अभी आसान बन गया है ना। तो मेरा मानना है कि बहुत सारे ऐसे लेमाज हैं, अगर आप मेरी क्लासेस कर रहे हैं तो मैंने बहुत सारे दिए हैं वहाँ पे, यू कैन चेक माय क्लासेस, देयर इज स्टूडेंट सबमिट ट्रैकर ऑल्सो, तो ट्रैकर आप देख सकते हो। एंड लास्ट ईयर ऑल्सो, लाइक लास्ट ईयर in fact from the techniques I taught at least 30 marks question directly came, right, in all the results oriented and basically lemmas which will make your job shorter, right? So you can just check all the thing, and I was taking on a special also many classes and on plus also exclusively for JEE Advanced 2021 last year, and again this year it will come for 2022 also, so you can check that. So that's the beauty of my classes, तो तुम आप देख सकते हो और कोशिश करो ये सब जो मैं लेमा कह रहा हूँ, इस लेमा को आपको इस लेमा को ही दिल में बसाओ और इससे कुछ करो ताकि तुम्हारा आंसर जल्दी आए, है ना। तो यू डोंट हैव टू डिस्कवर ना, यहाँ पे तुम डिस्कवर कर रहे हो, ये मेथड क्या है, ये सही मेथड, बट डिस्कवर कर रहे हो, आपका टाइम जा रहा है आपका। यहाँ पे यू आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम, इट्स लाइक आई ऑलवेज टेल दैट प्रॉब्लम को तुम यहाँ से स्टार्ट नहीं करके यहाँ से स्टार्ट करो ना। अदर पीपल आर स्टार्टिंग हियर द बेस लाइन, यू आर स्टार्टिंग समवेयर मिड वे, और पहुँचना दोनों को कवर उतनी ही दूरी जानी है, तो ऑब्वियसली यू विल टेक टाइम, less time than the other people, and that's what will distinguish it. Yes, 1 year enough है correct JEE करने के लिए, बिल्कुल ही enough है, no issue about it. So this one we get like this. Okay, now let's go to the next one. So next one, अभी जो अब है next one, वो आपका एक example है जो बराबर आता है, so that I will just say that how it is helpful and how it comes. तो जैसे ये इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन P है, बोल रहा है पासिंग टू इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ प्लेन्स। सो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थीम इज दैट कभी भी जब आपका क्वेश्चन आता है तो आता है दो प्लेन है दिए हुए हैं, एंड देन यू वांट अ थर्ड प्लेन दैट पासिंग इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ दीज टू, मतलब ऐसा वाले प्लेन, ऐसे वाले सारे प्लेन, ये वाले प्लेन और ये वाले प्लेन, दीज ऑल प्लेन्स, राइट। तो उसमें तुम ऐसे लिखते हो कि अगर ये पाई 1 है प्लेन और ये पाई 2 है, तो यू आर राइटिंग दैट इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन पाई इज पाई 1 प्लस लैम्डा पाई 2 इक्वल टू 0, राइट। ऐसे तुम प्लेन को लिखते हो, दिस प्लेन, है ना, एंड देन और तब तुम्हारा प्लेन का इक्वेशन आता है। तो यहाँ पे ये यही इसका है और कुछ नहीं करना इसमें। तो ये बोल रहा है इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन पी पासिंग इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ प्लेन इज दिस मच फॉर सम ए बी एलिमेंट ऑफ आर, देन सो इट इज गिवन ए बी 6 है कम से कम। तो आप क्या कर रहे हो, इसको आप बोल रहे हो कि इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ प्लेन है, तो आप बोल रहे हो कि ये x माइनस एक्स प्लस 4y, ये आपका है x प्लस 4y माइनस g प्लस 7, ये पाई प्लेन, और प्लस लैम्डा टाइम्स 3x प्लस 5y प्लस g माइनस 8। ये इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन है पासिंग थ्रू दिस थिंग, प्लेन पाई 1 पाई 2। तो मैं इसको केवल एक कोफिशिएंट लिखता हूँ, देखो 1 प्लस 3 लैम्डा कोफिशिएंट x, 1 प्लस 3 लैम्डा, है ना, 4 प्लस लैम्डा y को कोफिशिएंट, नेगेटिव 1 प्लस 5 लैम्डा g को कोफिशिएंट, एंड कांस्टेंट टर्म इज 7 माइनस 8 लैम्डा। सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल कि तुम पूरा मत लिखो, डोंट कैरी एक्स वाई जी नाउ, डोंट कैरी एक्स वाई जी, यस फैमिली प्लेन, डोंट कैरी एक्स वाई जी, ये केवल हो गया, ये है ना, ये है। और ये बोल रहे हो तुम कि दिस प्लेन इज this for this one, it means ये प्लेन वही प्लेन है जो a b और 6 है, करेक्ट, it is same plane, and this is 15, it is the same plane, it is same plane as this plane a b 6, so it means this must be proportional, right? It must be proportional. That's the meaning of this, proportional. Equal मत कर देना, proportional पहले तो proportional का मतलब हुआ कि a over, so a over 1 plus 3 lambda is b over 4 plus lambda is 6 over negative 1 plus 5 lambda and is 15 over 7 minus 8 lambda. तो I can use last two to find value of lambda, है ना, निकाल सकता हूँ मैं 6 by 15. So last two will give me 2 upon minus 1 plus 5 lambda is 5 upon 7 minus 8 lambda. That will give 14 minus 16 lambda minus 5 plus 25 plus 25 lambda. So you will get here 14 minus 16. Just check that what you are getting. So you are getting lambda you are getting some value. Just check 2 by negative 1 plus 5 lambda. Okay, 7 minus 8 lambda by 5, so 14 minus 16 lambda minus 5 and plus 25 lambda. So what is the answer you are getting for lambda? So 5 minus 25 lambda is minus 1 plus 5 lambda, and 15 upon 7 minus 8 lambda is not 15, it is negative 15 actually. 15, negative 15. It is negative 15, negative 15, make a note of it. So negative 15 will come here and negative 5. So you'll get 5 minus 20, otherwise numbers were big. But normally it will be a small number. So now you are good because you are getting 9 lambda equal to negative 9. So lambda is negative 1. So lambda is negative 1. It means you get the equation of the plane. So equation of plane is now obtained. You get A and B also from here. So I will write here only. So you are getting equation of plane as, if lambda is negative 1, you are getting that minus 2x, lambda is negative 1. So plus 3y, negative 1, so negative 5, negative 6. That is 6g, and then lambda is negative 1, so 8 is 15. So you're getting this plus 15 equal to 0. So you can write 2x minus 3y plus 6g minus 15 equal to 0. And then you want now distance of 3 to minus 1 from this plane, 3 to minus 1. So that's all right now. So you can put distance, so 3 and then 2 and minus 1 and upon root 2a square, 3a square, 6a square. Mind you, this is 7, right? So you are getting, this is, of course you will take mod 21 upon 7, so you will get 3. So you will take mod of this, so 3 you will get. And see, 2a square, 3a square, 6a square, I had told you each 7a square. No, in general a square b square plus ab plus 1 whole square, or a square b square, not ab, a square b square. In general, a square plus b square plus a square b square is ab plus 1 whole square if a b are consecutive integer. So you will get like this. So that's why in exam they will give you 2, 3, 6. Normally that's the reason, that's why they give you 2, 3 and 6, and why they love those things. Okay, is that clear? Okay, is that clear? ठीक है, कोई doubt, any doubt? Then one I will do by one thing I will do by this one of shortest line, shortest distance. तो ये काफी आता है, pi 1 plus lambda pi 2. Many problems are in this form, pi 1 plus lambda pi 2, and you find appropriate lambda by comparing some conditions or comparing the equations, and you will get this answer. ठीक है, ये लेमा आ गया तुम्हारा. Okay, let us go to the next one. The shortest distance I'll do. So shortest distance, let's see that we can make that. Yes, the shortest distance you want between the line and the line of intersection of planes, right? So you want this one. So shortest between this line and line of plane means this plane is given as this kind of thing. So first though you will have to, there are two methods. First method is longer, but I'll sketch it, and then second we'll do. First method is that you are writing x plus y plus g plus 1 equal to 0 and 2x minus y plus g plus 3 equal to 0, this one. So in first method what you will do, first method I will write equation of line in symmetric form, write into general form. First method is write in symmetric form. You have to write symmetric form. That means what? Symmetric form means that you have to write in terms of x minus something, those kind of thing. So you can take some, suppose you take g equal to 0, then you get x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, and 2x minus y plus 3 is 0. So you get 3x plus 4 is 0. So you get x is negative 4 by 3, x is, and then negative 4 by 3 plus 1 plus y is 0. So y is 1 by 3. So like that you will get. So you can, your question becomes x plus 4 by 3, y minus 1 by 3, g minus 0, and upon this plane, this one direction ratio, that is cross. So that is 1 1 1 1 1 direction crossed with 2 negative 1 1. So that will be cross, you have to, that is 1 into 1 minus 1, that is 2 here, and then 1 2 minus 2 1, and then negative 1, so negative 3, so negative 3. So you can write 2 1 negative 3. So we have got 2 1 negative 3 as this kind of thing. Okay, so g minus 0. So this is equation of line. So we got line. L1 is given symmetric form, L2 I got, so this is L1, and L2 is this whole line, line of intersection of planes pi 1 and pi 2 ये है. तो तुम्हारा आ गया इक्वेशन L2 का. एनी डाउट? तुम्हारा आ गया L1 L2 करेक्ट है बच्चों? यस. एनी डाउट किसी का है? 2 1 minus 3 करेक्ट. सो L1 L2 दो लाइनें आ गई आपकी. वंस यू गेट टू लाइन्स, you can have so many ways of finding. तो अभी मैं एक करता हूँ आपको कैसे इसे करेंगे. तो ये L1 L2 दो लाइन है, L1 L2 2 line. So I will write line like this, that L1, so L1 was this one, 0 1 minus 1 and 1 minus 1 0. So L1 is 1 minus 1 0 point here, and direction ratio is 0 negative 1 1, that is this one. And L2 has got the point as, L2 has got the point, L2 का जो point है वो है आपका minus 4 by 3, negative 4 by 3, 1 by 3 and 0, and direction ratios are 2 1 minus 3. ऐसा आ गया, ये हुआ 0 1 negative 1. So these are the direction ratio. This I use for direction ratio drs, and this I use for coordinate, just to distinguish. Correct? तो अब तुम क्रॉस कर दो इसको ना. L1, you want shortest distance, so you want some this kind of line, you want some this kind of line which is perpendicular to both, right? So thus cross these two vectors, 0 negative 1 1 this vector, and 2 1 negative 3 cross. So very simple, you can write this like this. Leave 2 first multiply this one, 3 and minus 1, that is 2, so first this one, then here 2, so this is 2 again, and here 1 minus 1, this is 2, that is 1 1 1, that is 1 1 1, that is the direction ratios, 1 1 1. So 1 1 1 is the direction ratio. Now what we can do, that any point you take, like any distance you take, like this distance, and you want this distance, you want this projection, that is this only projection of this. So it means this is your, this vector, this projection AB is there, suppose, or P1 P2. Say P1 is on one line, P2 another line. So this is P1, this is P2. So P1 P2 vector in any order does not matter. That is, इसमें से आप घटा दोगे तो 1 minus 1 is 4 by 3, so 7 by 3, and then minus 4 by 3, and this is 0. And then the projection of P1 P2 on L1 L2, this line, that is 1 1 1, is given by 7 by 3 minus 4 by 3 plus 0 upon root 3, right? So this will get, so this is 1 over root 3, so that is your answer, 1 over root 3. तो हमेशा आपको दिया रहेगा एक लाइन किस फॉर्म में, सिमेट्रिकल फॉर्म में, ये यूजुअल टेक्निक है, और एक लाइन जनरल फॉर्म ताकि आप कन्वर्ट करो, समझ रहे हो? दिस इज द फर्स्ट मेथड, एक लाइन सिमेट्रिक, एक लाइन जनरल. लेकिन अच्छा क्या होगा, आप कन्वर्ट ना करो जनरल को, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट मेथड. और एकदम जो अभी बताया था ना, वही प्लेन वाला मेथड है. वो ऐसे है कि आप देखो, इस कन्वर्ट नहीं करना मुझे, देख रहे हो मैंने अभी कन्वर्ट किया ना लाइन L2 को मैंने कन्वर्ट किया. L2 पूरा ही था, L2 आई कन्वर्टेड L2 जस्ट लाइक L1. मतलब किस फॉर्म में, उसको बोलते हैं सिमेट्रिक फॉर्म, L2 बोलते हैं जनरल फॉर्म। अभी मैं कन्वर्ट नहीं करूँगा, अभी कन्वर्ट नहीं करूँगा। मैं क्या करूँगा कि ये L2 है ना, एक प्लेन निकालूंगा जो L2 कंटेन कर रहा हो और L1 के पैरेलल हो। मतलब अब जो मेथड होगा वो ऐसा होगा, अब जो मेथड है वो ऐसा है आपका कि L2, ये दो L2 एक लाइन है और मैं प्लेन लूंगा जो L1 और L2 को, L1 L2 प्लेन, वो जो इंटरसेक्शन है पाई 1 पाई 2 प्लेन, करेक्ट। तो मैं वो लूंगा कि वो प्लेन में लाई करे और इसके पैरेलल हो, प्लेन में लाई इसके पैरेलल हो। तो उसमें क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं लिख सकता हूँ इसको, देखो यहाँ पे 3x प्लस, ये मैं देखो x प्लस वाई था ना, ये प्लेन था x प्लस वाई प्लस जी प्लस 1। तो राइट, तो फाइंड अ प्लेन पाई, राइट x प्लस वाई, इस इज लवली मेथड, x प्लस वाई प्लस जी प्लस 1, और लंबा भी नहीं है, और लैम्डा 2x माइनस वाई प्लस जी प्लस 3 इक्वल टू 0। ये क्वेश्चन प्लेन का है, ये प्लेन passes through ये, this plane contains, or simply this plane contains L2, this plane contains L2, ये तो L1 लाइन है, this plane contains L2। तो ये प्लेन L2 कंटेन करता है, बहुत सारे प्लेन ऐसे नहीं कंटेन करने वाले, उसमें वो प्लेन निकालो जो L1 के पैरेलल हो, प्लेन कंटेनिंग L2, प्लेन कंटेनिंग L2 एंड पैरेलल टू L1, ये है प्लेन कंटेनिंग L। अभी करते किट्टू शर्मा 1 मिनट रुक जाओ। ये मेथड शॉर्टर है, इट इज मच शॉर्टर, इसको बोलते हैं मेथड ऑफ पैरेलल प्लेन्स, इसका नाम होता है मेथड ऑफ पैरेलल प्लेन्स। तो इसमें क्या करो तुमने कि L1 दिया हुआ था एक सिमेट्रिक फॉर्म में, L1 सिमेट्रिक फॉर्म में, तुम L2 कंटेन करने वाला प्लेन, एक प्लेन जो L2 कंटेन करता है और इसके पैरेलल वो निकालते हैं, तो वो होगा पाई में ऐसा, करेक्ट। और उसको इसके तुमको बनना है पैरेलल L1, तो L1 का जो डायरेक्शन रेशियो होता है L1 का चेक, L1 का डायरेक्शन रेशियो 0 1 नेगेटिव 1, 0 1 0 माइनस 1 1, ये है 0 माइनस 1 1, ये। अब इसको तुम्हें पैरेलल चाहिए, इसका मतलब ये आ गया 1 प्लस 2 लैम्डा x का कॉफिशिएंट, y कॉफिशिएंट जस्ट कॉफिशिएंट उससे फास्ट होगा 1 माइनस लैम्डा, z का होगा 1 प्लस लैम्डा और 1 प्लस 3 लैम्डा, करेक्ट। तो ये डायरेक्शन रेशियो है, इसको 0 नेगेटिव 1 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये आएगा लैम्डा माइनस 1 प्लस लैम्डा, ऐसा आएगा ना, लैम्डा माइनस 1 1 प्लस लैम्डा, सो दैट इज 0। Just check it first, 1 plus lambda, so this is, yes, 0 plus lambda minus 1 and plus 1 plus 2 lambda, it was not lambda, 1 plus 2 lambda, see 1 plus 2 lambda, 2x minus xyg, so 2x minus y and plus, no, 2x minus y plus g plus 3, so this is your coefficient of x is 1 plus 2 lambda, coefficient of y you check later, that is 1 minus lambda, and coefficient of g is 1 plus 2 lambda. So if you write that one, you will get now this, just check this calculation, right, that after this you should get value of lambda, okay. It means, see here, if lambda comes out to be 0 means it is already parallel, right. That's the kind of, no, if lambda comes out to be 0 it means that anything can work, which does not look likely. तो ये आपका L2 आएगा, तो the moment you get this plane, the moment you get this plane, this one, this plane, तो इस plane से आप distance निकालोगे इस point का, right, so you will find the point this plane and then that will be the answer, है ना। अच्छा, प्रोजेक्शन वाला मैं बता रहा हूँ एक बार इसका ना, ये this you check later, that x plus y plus g plus 1 plus lambda times 2x minus y plus g plus 3 equal to 0, so you will get 1 plus 2 lambda you are getting, and then 1 minus lambda, 1 plus lambda plus 3 lambda, and then you are multiplying, right, so you are multiplying 1 plus 2 lambda, 1 minus 1 plus lambda, और ये तुम 0 कर रहे हो, करेक्ट। तो x plus y plus g plus 1 ऐसा प्लेन है ना, I mean that ये प्लेन वैसा है, x plus y plus g plus 1, just check, this is itself a plane like this, करेक्ट, बिकॉज 1 1 1 से 0 आ रहा है आपका, और फिर इससे आप कर सकते हो डिस्टेंस, सो इससे अगर करोगे तो आपका आंसर आएगा 0 नेगेटिव 1 प्लस 1 एंड अपॉन √3, सो आई मीन दैट ऑल्सो गिव्स सेम आंसर 1/√3, डू चेक दैट। अच्छा, एक प्रोजेक्ट ये है, ये प्लेन ऐसा है, ये ऐसा है, इसमें क्या किया मैंने स्टेप वाइज, दैट ये लाइन L1 जरूरी है जानना, ये लाइन L1 है सिमेट्रिक फॉर्म में, तो ये लाइन L1 देखो सिमेट्रिक फॉर्म में, सिमेट्रिक फॉर्म मतलब पासिंग थ्रू ए पॉइंट एंड इन ए गिवन डायरेक्शन, डायरेक्शन में दिखा रहा हूँ मैं इससे ना, इस तरह के ब्रैकेट में, करेक्ट, एरोड वाले से। अच्छा L1 और L2 आपका है अगेन पासिंग थ्रू सम पॉइंट एंड सम डायरेक्शन। Before what happened? Before L2 was given general form. So I converted, I simplified, I turned L2 into symmetric form. तो दोनों लाइन सिमेट्रिक फॉर्म में आ गई, सिमेट्रिक फॉर्म दोनों लाइन, मतलब दोनों लाइन पे एक पॉइंट दिया, dr दिया है। तो ये जो शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस है, लाइन ऑफ LSD, लाइन ऑफ शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस, सो लाइन ऑफ शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस इज परपेंडिकुलर टू बोथ L1 एंड L2, ये होता है। तो इसका मतलब इसका dr होगा वो L1 L2 dr के परपेंडिकुलर होगा। तो इसको क्रॉस कर दिया मैंने, 0 1 नेगेटिव 1 को इसको क्रॉस कर दिया, तो ये आ गया क्रॉस। तो इनफैक्ट LSD इसका पैरेलल हुआ, तो LSD का ये हो गया 1 1 1, राइट। LSD हैज गॉट दिस 1 1 हैज गॉट दिस थिंग, राइट, 1 1 1। और ये जब आ गया आपका, तो अब क्या है, कोई पॉइंट ले लो यहाँ पे, जब एक बार आ गया शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस का लाइन ये है, तो टेक एनी पॉइंट यू लाइक, एनी पॉइंट, टेक एनी पॉइंट, एनी 2 पॉइंट्स यू लाइक ऑन द लाइन, उसका जो प्रोजेक्शन है वो तो ये होगा, क्योंकि 90 है, देख रहे हो प्रोजेक्शन ऑन दिस लाइन, तो 90 है, तो यही आंसर इसका है, तो इसका प्रोजेक्शन निकालना है। तो अब तुम्हारा ये P1 P2 ये वेक्टर हो गया, इसका प्रोजेक्शन होता है अपना, मान लो ABC एक वेक्टर है ABC, प्रोजेक्शन निकालना है PQR पे, तो ये AP प्लस BQ प्लस CR अपॉन रूट P स्क्वायर प्लस Q स्क्वायर प्लस R स्क्वायर, तो इट हैज गॉट दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग एंड सो वी गॉट नंबर √3। करेक्ट है, पता चल गया सबको? कुछ लोग पूछ रहे थे, did they get some clarity, some idea they got? But nothing like method of parallel planes, very good method of parallel planes, है ना। चलो आगे एक करते हैं अभी ज्योमेट्री। So one question is this: if you do geometry, then one really important question is this kind of thing, where let me find the question, I can't find, I think. Yeah, see, vertices B and C. Okay, so vertices B and C of triangle ABC lie on this one, such that BC is 5. तो ये क्वेश्चन ऐसा दिख रहा है, देखो, दिस इज A और ये ऐसा है, ये लाइन है, ये B और C पे लाई कर रहा है, दिस A is 1, दिस A is given to be 1 minus 1 2, A तो दिया ही हुआ है, और BC लाई ऑन दिस लाइन, मतलब ये कहीं होगा, दिस पॉइंट -2 1 0 is a point which will be somewhere, and this direction ratio is 304, right? This line has got direction ratio as 304. I told you that I am always showing DRs by this one. Okay, it's a beautiful problem. अब तुम्हारा एरिया निकलना तुम्हारे AC का, BC दिया हुआ है, BC is 5. So my method would be to find BC. I'll find the height of triangle. Means I will, if I can find this H, height of triangle, I can write half into 5 into H. That will be my answer. So I want to write height of triangle. Height of triangle means from A, means I want from A, what is the length of perpendicular? A is some point 1 -1 2. I want length of perpendicular from A on this line L. It's a standard question, A to L perpendicular. So how you got it? That already a point is there here. Here also point is there, -2 1 0. -2 1 0. This one. So I can know this. I can know this one. This means I can know the projection. So projection of this. So this vector AB, or not AB, this is AP in the point P. So this AP vector is -3, negative, any order you can write. So -3, this 2, and then -2. So this AP vector, I have to take projection along this direction, 304. So that answer is -9. Multiply this by -9, and then -8, and upon a square root of 3 square plus 0 square plus 4 square. So you got 17/5. This one. So this is 17/5. and this is root 17. You can check this one, that 9 plus 4 plus 4, this is root 17. So if it is a prime, then a prime is root of 17 minus 17 by 5 whole square, correct? So that is 17. So root of 17, 1 minus 17 by 25. So we'll get root of 17 times 8 by 25. So this will get 17 to 8 by 25, this one. So this is this I can take, 17 is inside only, so I can take this as 2 will take out, so 2 by 5 and root 34 I'll write. And so my area of ABC will be half into base, that's base is given to be 5, so half into 5, and 2 by 5 is square root of 34. Everything cancels out and you get square root of 34. So this is one method that you get again. So is that clear? This also is clear, good method. You got this idea or didn't get? Just anyone? All right. So this essentially was about कि ये निकालना है आपको लेंथ ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम ए टू लाइन एल, वही निकालना है केवल. जब वो निकाल लोगे तो एरिया इज एनीवे हाफ इनटू बेस इनटू हाइट. कोई और किसी और कुछ क्लियर है? अब कुछ और पूछना है इसको किसी को? Okay, let me do more problem, 1-2 more, time is there, I can do 1-2 more. So एक क्वेश्चन जो बराबर आता है वो ये है, दैट अलग अलग फॉर्म में आता है कई बार. डिस्टेंस ऑफ सम पॉइंट फ्रॉम सम प्लेन एंड मेजर्ड अलोंग द लाइन. मतलब एक तो होता है अगर कोई बोले डिस्टेंस ऑफ पॉइंट फ्रॉम द प्लेन पाई, देन तो इट इज नथिंग बट देन इट इज नथिंग बट डिस्टेंस ऑफ पी along the normal, right, perpendicular distance. No need to say anything. If I say distance of point P from the plane, it means it is, I need not write anything, वो अपने आप हो गया perpendicular distance. लेकिन ये बोल रहा है distance of P, same point P है, plane भी same है, बोले distance of P from the line measured along the line, measured along. मतलब ये यहाँ से मिलेगा A पे कहीं पे, और ये प्लेन है x प्लस ये प्लेन, दिस प्लेन इज, ये प्लेन है x माइनस वाई प्लस जी माइनस 5 इक्वल टू 0. ये डायरेक्शन है 1 1 1 लाइन, डायरेक्शन ये है. तो इसके लॉन्ग निकालना है डिस्टेंस में. यू वांट दिस डिस्टेंस, यू वांट पी ए राइट, यू वांट पी ए. अगेन तुम बहुत से निकाल सकते हो थीटा वगैरह से, लेकिन ऐसे कर सकते हो कि डिस्टेंस ऑफ पी फ्रॉम हियर. तो डिस्टेंस ऑफ पी फ्रॉम हियर निकालने के लिए आई विल डू दिस थिंग, दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पी इज गिवन, पी विल बी गिवन. So that is 1 minus 5 9. 1 p is 1 negative 5 9. This is there. तो कैसे pa निकालोगे आप pa? उसके लिए शॉर्ट तरीका ये है that see I have to write pa in the form x minus 1 upon 1 y plus 5 upon 1 and g minus 9 upon 1 equal to t something t. and अगर मैं ये t निकाल लूंगा तो मेरा जो डिस्टेंस होगा पी ए, ध्यान दीजिएगा ये है टी रूट थ्री, बिकॉज डायरेक्शन रेशियोज हैं, कोसाइंस नहीं है. आर यू गेटिंग ए पॉइंट? इट इज रेशियोज नॉट कोसाइन. ओके, सो ये टी रूट थ्री बिकॉज तुम्हें मल्टीप्लाई होने रूट थ्री से वो मल्टीप्लाई होगा ऊपर. तो मतलब अगर तुम टी निकाल लेते हो द पैरामीटर, टी इज द पैरामीटर, पी प्लस एम डालने की वो जरूरत नहीं है, देयर इज नो नीड. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट मुझे ये निकालना है कि ये पॉइंट यहाँ कहाँ हिट कर रहा है. तो I will find the parameter t corresponding to this point, parameter t, correct. और जब t निकल जाएगा तुम्हारा ये भी निकल जाएगा. और t निकालने का तरीका बता रहा हूँ t क्या है. और तुम इसको भर सकते हो, इसको तुम ऐसे लिख सकते हो x इक्वल टू t प्लस 1, y इक्वल टू t माइनस 5, g इक्वल टू t प्लस 9, ओके, t प्लस 9 ऐसा लिख सकते हो. एंड देन यू कैन प्लग इट हियर कि ये इसमें लाई करता है, ये लाइन दिस प्लेन, टी निकाल दोगे. डायरेक्टली निकालो. डायरेक्टली क्या था फॉर्मूला मेरा? डायरेक्टली था मेरा t इक्वल टू नेगेटिव ऑफ पाई पी एंड अपॉन एल प्लस बी एम प्लस सी एन. समझ रहे हो? ऐसा मैं बोल रहा हूँ. ये क्या हो रहा है, ये फॉर्मूला मैंने बताया लेमा, ये लेमा बताया मैंने कई बार. डायरेक्टली लिखो लेमा. मतलब ये क्या हो रहा है कि अगर मैं आगे पेज पे लिखता हूँ, ये मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि कोई प्लेन है जो है ax प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी जी प्लस टी इक्वल टू प्लेन, एंड एक लाइन आ रहा है, उस लाइन का डी आर है एल एम एन, और ये पॉइंट P है, ये पॉइंट कुछ मान सकते हैं आप, अल्फा बीटा गामा है पॉइंट P, करेक्ट पॉइंट P। आई वॉन्ट T T रेफरेंस पॉइंट P मानते हुए आई वॉन्ट T ऑफ दिस पैरामीटर ऑफ दिस पॉइंट T, तो दिस इज दिस पॉइंट P से P प्राइम। तो ये जो T आएगा T, ये T आएगा नेगेटिव ऑफ पाई P अपॉन AL प्लस BM प्लस CN, दिस विल वर्क। इज दैट क्लियर? पहले आप डिराइव कर सकते हो, तुम डिराइव भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन ये इजी रहेगा अगर तुम करोगे तो डायरेक्टली यूज कर सकते हो डायरेक्टली। तो यहाँ पे ये बहुत ही पावरफुल फॉर्मूला है। तो यहाँ पे क्या था, तुम डिराइव नहीं करना पड़ेगा फिर एग्जाम में। यहाँ पे क्या था, यहाँ पे था x माइनस वाई प्लस जी माइनस 5 इज 0, और ये लाइन था, ये था -1 -5 9 and that was 1 1 1. Just check, it was this only, -1 -5 9. It was this, let me write -1 -5 9, no 1 -5 9, 1 -5 9, so it is 1 -5 9, so this is 1 -5 9. so वो जो t आएगा t will be negative of value of pi, this one, तो इसको evaluate करो p पे, तो ये 1 plus 5 plus 9 minus 5 and upon AL BM CN, so that is 1 minus 1 plus 1, ये आएगा t। तो t simply comes out to be 10, negative of 10 upon -1, तो t is 10, तो t 10 आ गया, राइट, ओके करेक्ट। तो t 10 आ गया। नाउ अगर 10 आ गया तुम्हारा 10, तो अब क्या होगा, तुम्हारा जो डिस्टेंस होगा, ये मान लो a पे मिल रहा है, तो जो डिस्टेंस p ये होगा दैट विल बी 10√3, नॉट 10/√3, 10√3, सो यही तुम्हारा 10√3 आंसर आ गया, समझ रहे हो, करेक्ट। तो ये 10√3 है। इज दैट क्लियर? इज दैट क्लियर दैट हाउ यू आर गेटिंग 10√3? सो नॉर्मली दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग यू विल गेट। सो टू समराइज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, ये जो रिजल्ट है तुम इसको डिराइव भी कर सकते हो, बट बेहतर ये होगा कि तुम इसको अपने नोट्स में यू गिव इट एज ए फॉर्मूला और लेमा। सो इफ़ यू रिमेंबर दिस लेमा, बहुत सारे काम आसान हो जाएंगे, है ना। एक और चीज़ मैं बोल सकता हूँ इसमें, फुट परपेंडिकुलरली भी, अगर ये t है, अगर यहाँ पे t प्राइम है ना, t प्राइम, तो अगर एलिमेंट इज ABC, आई मीन इट इज along normal, if it is along normal this one, then t will be negative of pi by a square b square c square। if you remember, यही हमारा क्या है, लेंथ है, यही लेंथ है हमारा, यही लेंथ होता है हमारा, क्यों, लेंथ जो निकालते हैं हम, t इज नेगेटिव पाई, है ना, करेक्ट। इज दैट क्लियर? है ना, बिकॉज जब ABC होगा तुम ऐसा करते हो, ये t का, और लेंथ निकालने के लिए तुम निकाल देते हो, रूट से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे ना, तो लेंथ निकालने के लिए जो लेंथ आएगा, हाई मतलब डिस्टेंस ऑफ p, सो दिस इज pn, मान लो p प्लेन है और n है यहाँ पे pn है, तो pn विल गेट एज नेगेटिव पाई p अपॉन a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर c स्क्वायर एंड टाइम्स स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर c स्क्वायर। सो नेगेटिव पाई p बाई स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर। लेट मी चेक, you're getting negative pi p by square root of a square plus b square plus c square, correct? Yes, all right. in any more doubts आ रहा है समझ में? तो वेक्टर के लिए मैं आपको समराइज कर दूं कि वेक्टर में आपका जो आना है वेक्टर में, तो ये इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ लाइन एंड प्लेन, या 3D में इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ line and plane important, okay, and then intersection of line and plane, और उसके अलावा और आएगा आपका that plane passing through intersection of two planes. This is an important idea. एंड देन सॉल्विंग वेक्टर इक्वेशंस, और इसके अलावा आपका आगे हमेशा वो इंपॉर्टेंट है ज्योमेट्रिकल एप्लीकेशन, सो आई थिंक दीज ऑल विल बी रियली इंपॉर्टेंट। अगर ये अगर ये सब आप कर दोगे तो आ सकता है. Many people are asking that who are your toppers. You can check, you can Google, but it was Chitrang Murdia, then it was Sai Sandeep Reddy, and it was Jitendra Reddy. They all were rank 1, and many in top 100, many. Yes, Priyanshu Rao, I did teach. Okay, so solving vector equation and other things are there. Okay, so plane passing through intersection of 2 points, 2 planes, intersection of line and plane, और ये तीनों. तो ये 4 इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. और भी सब टॉपिक हो सकते हैं, जैसे शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस में तुम अच्छा रहेगा ये वाला पैरेलल प्लेन मेथड. मैंने बताया ना, वो एग्जांपल तुम कर सकते हो, है ना. पैरेलल प्लेन, यू कैन राइट पैरेलल प्लेन मेथड, that will be right, that you can write parallel plane method. Are you getting my point? Yes, understand? Correct? Okay, and then other thing is that, so this is the other method also that gives you different thing. So parallel plane method and others also. Okay, other methods also are important. And please, in these classes, come for a study. Okay, don't come to enhance your general knowledge about it, right? Better that all of you must study, so that you can have your own rank rather than depending on other people's rank, right? Yes, are you getting a point? So I hope that is clear. And any more questions are there that what you can then we can ask me. Correct? Yes. So with this I am telling that these 4 5, these all 4 5 you will have to study, and then line and plane, other things will be really good. Okay everyone, then that's all for the session today. We'll meet next time. Okay everyone, so just know that these things will be really helpful, and next time it will be a different topic, so let us check again. Okay.